Are you struggling to connect with your child with autism? Understanding their learning style might be the breakthrough that you need. Sound intriguing? Let's dive in. Join me as we uncover the unique learning style of children with autism and how this knowledge can transform the way you support your child's language development. My name is Andreina Ballester and I am a speech-language pathologist. I am passionate about empowering parents of children with autism to help their children communicate better. If you have not seen my previous video called Can Autism Be Cured?, where I discuss making an inventory of your child's sensory preferences, make sure to watch that because that's an important piece of the puzzle. Okay, in today's video, I will teach you the type of learning styles so you can identify which one fits your child best. I just want to let you know that the information I am about to share is sourced from the Hannon Center, which has significantly contributed to my understanding in this topic. Some of us learn better by touching, by seeing, others by hearing. Some of us are very detail-oriented, but others like to see the big picture. Some of us remember facts easier than others. Okay, let's talk about the 5 types of learning styles. There are rote learners, gestalt learners, visual learners, hands-on learners, and auditory learners. Let's talk about rote learners. They memorize things, they learn numbers and letters really quick. When they're older, they remember crazy facts about things. These children can recite information word for word, but they may not understand what they're saying. For example, a child may be able to count from 1 to 10, but if the mom asks him how many fingers are here, he may not be able to answer that. Let's talk about gestalt learners. Some children with autism memorize sentences as whole chunks, but they may not be able to understand the meaning of individual words. It can present as scripture or echolalia. So for example, they may say to you, let's go to the store, but that really means let's go. So anytime they want to say let's go, they'll just say, let's go to the store. Instead of learning single words and then moving to phrases and sentences, these children just start talking in complete sentences. Okay, let's talk about visual learners. Most children with language difficulties learn better by seeing than by hearing. So if your child enjoys looking at books or watching TV, he may be a visual learner. Let's talk about hands-on learners. Your child may learn best by touching things. Does your child like to push buttons? Swing doors back and forth? Figure out the most complicated toy? Last category is auditory learners. If your child enjoys talking to others or listening to others, he may be an auditory learner. It is unusual for a child with autism to be an auditory learner though. You may be thinking, okay, I know my child's style. Now what? If your child is a rote learner, you want to present activities that are done the same way every time. And they may include alphabet or number activities. If your child is a gestalt learner and he learns complete sentences before single words, your job is to help him understand the parts of the whole sentence. If your child is a visual learner, present information through things he can see. So not just say the word, but present the item or a picture of the item as you say the word. And use a lot of picture books. If your child is a hands-on learner, let him learn about the world by manipulating and touching things. Choose toys that he can operate with his hands. If you got any value from this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.